Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you I can't speak English. I can understand English. I can read in English. But my speaking is not very well. I am not able to speak because of one reason. My vocabulary is not a increase. My vocabulary is a decrease. Yeah. I am daily express my thought, but I forget what I'm talk to you because of my vocabulary is not increase. And I have decide daily I have take this five vocabulary, and I have multiple time I'm speak to English. I have multiple time uh, make this sentence. Yeah, every day I'm try to speak. You should learn this vocabulary. Yeah, I was beginner. I was beginner 1 year ago. I am not able to single single word because of my vocabulary is not increase. And now I am little bit I am speak to English. Okay, I will daily try to learn this vocabulary. Okay, and you should try. You should try. You are fascinated this about this language. You will learn this vocabulary is the most important. Your help your communication skill, your good communication skill. Vocabulary is a vocabulary. You lots of learn this vocabulary. You are make this a sentence, and you are speak to English. Yeah, but you will try. You will daily try. You are not nervous. You are not nervous. I was I was beginner. I am nervous. I am nervousness. But I am daily try. I am daily try. 1 year ago I am underconfident. Yeah. I'm not facing this camera. I'm not front of mirror. But I have daily try. I have daily try, and I will. I'm little bit and speak to English because of I have learned this language. I have passionate about this language. Yeah. Thank you watching this my video. My video is a like and subscribe. You should learn this vocabulary and you will try. Okay. Bye bye.